What if I told you your current PC might not survive the next Windows update? Microsoft is secretly preparing for Windows 11 version 27H2, and based on the changes inside the latest Insider can rebuilds, this update could introduce a biggest hardware requirement jump in Windows history. We're talking about an AI processor, new CPU instruction sets, and RAM requirements that might shock millions of users. And yes, many PCs that run Windows 11 today may not even boot 27H2. Let's break it down what Microsoft's planning and whether your PC is safe or not. Microsoft's pushing something called AI PCs. This computer includes a special chip called NPU Neural Processing Unit. Unlike the CPU or GPU, an NPU is designed specifically for running artificial intelligence locally on a device. Right now, the new AI PCs like Snapdragon X Elite laptops, Intel Luna Lake, and AMD Ryzen AI chips already include 40 to 45 TOPS of AI performance. TOPS means trillions of operations per second. And according to insider testing, Microsoft may require around 40 plus TOPS for advanced AI features inside the Windows shell. That means future Windows 11 feature could literally refuse to run without an NPU. So if you're using a PC with Intel 12 Gen, Intel 11 Gen, Ryzen 5000 series, or Ryzen 3000 series, you may not get the full AI experience in Windows 11 27H2. Another change in the memory usage. The new Copilot runtime runs AI models locally. This model requires dedicated system memory. That's why most AI PCs now ship with 16 gigs of minimum RAM. Because of this, insider believe Windows 11 27H2 may officially raise the minimum RAM requirement to 16 gigabytes. Minimum, not recommended. Meaning millions of 8 gigabytes of laptop could become outdated overnight. But here is the most technical change. Inside newer Windows Insider builds, Microsoft is pushing advanced CPU instruction sets. You may remember the POP-CNT requirement that blocks all the processors. Windows already requires SSE 4.2 and POP-CNT. But now developers are seeing signs that AVX2 instructions could become mandatory for Windows kernel. AVX2 is used for AI workloads, advanced math calculations, data compressions, machine learning acceleration. And if Windows requires AVX2 to boot, any CPU without it will simply fail to start the operating system. That could lock out many processors older than 2018 or 2019. Security is another reason for this change. Microsoft is heavily investing in Pluton security processors. Pluton is a new hardware security chip built directly into CPU. Unlike TPM modules, Pluton protects against firmware attacks and physical hardware hacking. By Windows 11 27H2, Microsoft may strongly recommend or even require Pluton-enabled system for a new install. This means newer CPUs from Intel, AMD, Qualcomm will fully optimize for the future Windows versions. So why is Microsoft doing this? Simple. They want to move to the entire PC industry towards the AI-first computer. Windows 11 27H2 could be the update that officially begins AI PC era, which means devices without AI acceleration, higher RAM, more CPU instruction sets may slowly lose support. And yes, this also helps the companies to sell the new laptops. Here's the big question. Will your PC survive Windows 11 27H2? If a system has AVX2 CPU, 16 gigs of RAM, TPM 2.0, modern CPU 2020 or newer, it could be mostly safe. But if you're running an older laptop with 8 gigs of RAM and pre-2018 CPU, future Windows updates may become difficult. Before you leave, comment your CPU model below, and I'll tell you if your PC is ready for Windows 11 27H2 or not. And make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bell so you don't miss the future uploads. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.